Hello Transformers fans, this is another review of a Transformers animated figure. This time it's Prowl, Autobot Prowl with two-bladed Megastars. Swing, swing. I'm awesome. It's the alternate mode is police motorcycle. He has red and blue lights here, and a kickstand, free rolling wheels. It's a cool motorcycle, but no one can ride it. There's no way you could get an action figure onto this guy. He has the seat, but it's like you gotta have a wide stance to fit on this motorcycle. The battery on my camera is almost running out, so I'm gonna have to continue the transformation. I'm gonna talk about the motorcycle mode until the battery dies. He has little handlebars here, working kickstand, and his ninja stars mount on his wheels. It's really cool because they don't come off easily. You had to apply some force to it. Not a lot of force. Remember, don't force a toy. You might. Okay. Now back from our commercial break. I was able to take off the ninja stars from the wheels. As you can see, there's these little tabs here which help. You see those dark spots? They help hold the ninja stars in place when you put them in. The ninja stars work on gears, and you unfold them like this. You could either go for round, semi-ninja starish, like Crow, that movie from the 80s, or you could turn it into the sign for the Klingons, like this. You see? Oh, today's a good day to die. Well, no, not quite. So you take these off for the transformation. First thing you're gonna do, separate the arms. At least that's what the instructions say. Separate the arms and bring them up. Yep. So bring the arms up. You could see, here's the foot. This is the bottom of the foot. So there's one leg here and one leg here. See the bottom of the foot? So just separate these from this, see, up, and bring out the bottom of the foot. And on this side, just bring out the foot. You can see here's the waist. You can see the two ball joints. So he's halfway done. Bring the legs to the front, like that. So you already have the two legs. Alright, so this part, so bring it around like this. So here, the front part of the motorcycle, these aren't flexible, they don't move. Just bring it round. See? And Prowl's head comes out from here. There you go. There's a hole down here underneath the front of the motorcycle. See it? That plugs into this little tab here. Since the figure is black, you can hardly see it. You see it's right there, this tab. So just plug that in. There. Nice and snappy. These parts of the motorcycle, they slide up to reveal the hands, and the lights just stay back there. This figure has ball joints galore, so he's really posable. His he has no knees, but because he has this wheel here, he could do like a running pose. Yeah. Or he could balance on one leg. That's how cool this figure is. You see, look, no hands, and he's balancing on his leg. So I recommend Prowl. He's gonna be a peg warmer because I think he's packed more in the case than the other figures. He also comes with his trusty traffic light. I'm the traffic light. Remember from Cybertron? No. But he can't hold it. His hands are molded like that. The only way he can hold it, as illustrated by other reviewers, is by just putting it in his hand and letting gravity do its work. That's the only way he could hold his accessory. There's no light piping on this figure, but you know, that's okay. Very articulated for a Transformer. Oh yeah, his handlebars go up and they blend in with this. These back parts that look like wings, like I said before, they're stuck in place. They don't move. His head sculpt is true to the cartoon, but it's hard to see. I don't know, I think maybe his mouth is too little or something, or maybe it doesn't come out enough so that when the light hits it, it looks good. But I definitely, like I said, I recommend this toy. Alright guys, that's my review of Transformers Animated Prowl. I'll see you guys on the interwebs. Bye. Oops. Oh yeah, P.S. You can fit his ninja stars into his hands, just like his traffic light weapon. Well, you have to have the, let's see, the thickest part of the blade has to be facing inward. Yeah, ninja star. Alright guys, now I'm gone for sure. See ya.